Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the show home delivery function on the Ikea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Now, if you have already typed in a product that you are interested in, you should see this show availabilities section in the middle of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon in the right side of the screen and tap on the show home delivery option, thereby turning it on. You need to add your postcode. Press the button OK. Then if you go back and select a product that you are interested in, you can see that there is, so that it's available for home delivery to your address. So you can add it to your shopping bag and you will be able to get it delivered to your home. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.